Hey friends, welcome to another video. So today we're going to be reviewing the Xiaomi pen. So the Xiaomi pen is the official pen that comes from Xiaomi that is meant for the Mi Pad 5 or the Mi Pad 5 Pro. This only comes in the black colorway, although I do wish it came in a different colorway, but you can definitely pick up different types of skin brands to cover this to make them personalized to your design. So looking at the pen, we have two buttons at the top. So the first button is for you to start writing quick notes on your device, while the second button is for you to take a screenshot of whatever page you're on your device at that particular time. So these are two very convenient shortcuts on the pen that you can use in so many different ways. So we are going to be doing a note-taking test as well as a drawing test. Just so you guys know, I'm not particularly a very good artist, neither is my writing one of the best, but we're going to be looking at some of the things that you can do with this pen and why it is very useful for you to get. And it does come rather cheap, so it is definitely better than the Apple Pencil, and I would rather not get an alternative, although there are alternatives that you can use to the Xiaomi pen for the Mi Pad 5. So first of all, you can use this with basically every note-taking applications. You can use this with the official note-taking application for the Mi Pad 5, which is already on the device, and you can use it to take whatever note that you want. So that is quite convenient, and you can use it to draw as well, like I said. So let's look at the screenshot feature. So like I said, you press this one down and you tap on it. It gives you an option to draw a screenshot. Once you draw, you can save it, you can share it to different people, or you can edit the picture to whatever you want, whatever the screenshot is. So like I said, that is quite a very useful feature to have on your device for you to be able to click it quite easily and for you to be able to use it that way. That is something that I really enjoy on this particular device. So if you are using an application, for example, like Concepts, when you take a snapshot of a particular page, you can easily import that snapshot into whatever work you're doing at that particular point, and you will be able to also write a note next to it, and that will give you something that is very useful in terms of your class or your project or your presentation. The feel of this pen to the device is really quite good, but I would advise you get a screen protector, something like Paperlike, which will make it feel as if you're writing on paper or as if you're drawing on paper. This is definitely more useful overall. It will give you a much better experience with definitely using this pen. So once you put the pen and you start writing, there is no delay or lag with the writing, which is something that is quite good. You do not have any problems with that. And in terms of palm rejection, you do get pretty good palm rejection on your device. So you can put your palm on it, rest your palm on it, and still write quite well without any problem. A very good palm rejection is a must for any smart pen that is compatible with your tablet, because you do not want to feel or have an uncomfortable position when you're writing or when you're drawing. You would rather have something very comfortable that you are used to. So it is definitely something that is really good with this pen. It has awesome palm rejection with the connection it has with the Xiaomi Pad 5. So charging this device is really easy. All you need to do is snap it to the top of your device and it connects and starts charging immediately, which is rather good. It is a very convenient way of charging. It is similar to the system that we have on the iPad or the iPad minis. This is a really convenient system, and it's something that I definitely like. And also, it's the same way to pair up your device. If you watch my unboxing video, you would see once you take your device out of the box, all you need to do is stick it to the top and it connects and pairs completely, and you are able to use the pen without any problems. So definitely this pen is a must, is a recommend for me to you guys, for you guys to pick up if you are using the Mi Pad 5 or if you're using the Mi Pad 5 Pro. It is definitely an accessory that I feel will be useful, especially if you are a student or if you work in a space where you have to take a lot of notes, or even if you're an artist. This is a very useful pen for you to be able to do so many things, because it offers so many features and so many quick features that you do not have any problem, and it especially comes in a very budget price. So any questions that you guys do have about the pen, please leave it down in the comment section down below. So I'm gonna thank you guys so much for watching, and I'm gonna see you guys in the next one.